Hello YouTube, keep an eye out for an upcoming video that I'll be making showing how I build my mausoleums and my crypts. These are all built out of foam board and just 1x2s. Very inexpensive materials to get. These are some props I built for my last year's display. I had a lot of people ask me how I make them, so I'm going to make a video showing how I build mine, how I keep the cost down, and how you can use these for multiple years to come, depending on how you store them. So keep an eye out for that video. I would say go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that alert button, so when the video comes up of the Halloween props, you'll get a notification. Thanks for watching.